If you've been wanting to learn Dadan but didn't know where to start, you are in the right place because in today's video, we will guide you through everything step by step. From the absolute basics to the essential techniques you need to build a strong foundation. No experience? No problem, because this tutorial is designed for complete beginners with easy to follow explanations and practical demonstrations. By the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to start using the Dan on your own. So before you get started, make sure to use our affiliate link in the video description below. So, let's begin. Dadan is a platform that enables businesses, teams, and creators to record, edit, and share interactive product demonstrations and knowledge-sharing content. Whether you're onboarding new customers, training employees, or showcasing your software, Dadan helps simplify the entire process. Now, when you go to the official website of Dadan, which is www.dadan.io, first thing that you'll immediately notice is the clean and well-organized navigation menu at the top of the homepage. Each menu serves specific purposes, making it easy for the visitors to find exactly what they're looking for. So let's go through each one. Number one is going to be the products. This showcases everything Dadan has to offer. So you have like the recorder, editor, and other features. Next is going to be the AI Assist, which is designed to make a workflow more efficient by helping users automate tasks, generate or improve content. And then the resources is where you can find helpful materials such as documentations, tutorials, blog articles, customer success stories, and a lot more. And then the enterprise is if you wanted to represent a larger organizations, enterprise is worth exploring. And then you have the sign in button where if you already have the Dadan accounts already created, you can simply sign in. But the most important part is the pricing plan because it provides a clear overview of the Dadan subscription plans so that you can compare the available plans and see which features are included in each package, review billing options, and check whether a free trial is available before committing to a subscription. If you're just getting started, the free plan is a great choice. Why? Because it already includes 25 videos, 2 GB of storage, video resolution to 720p, and a lot more, which is perfect for creating quick videos and screenshots at no cost. But if you need more features, the Lite plan enhances the recording. It will offer all these sharing capabilities. With the Lite, you get unlimited videos, 25 GB of storage, high definition up to 4K, 2 GB upload limit, and all these. This plan is ideal for creators who need more storage and higher quality recordings. Now, if you wanted to get more serious, the Pro plan is the most popular option for you and other professionals because it already includes everything in Lite plus all of these. Okay? If you regularly create content or collaborate with others, Pro plan provides the flexibility and powerful AI tools you need. And if you feel that your team or organization wanted a more stronger plan, the business subscription delivers the complete Dadan experience. A minimum of 3 users is required, but you get to have all of these perks and benefits. It's the ultimate solution for businesses that needs collaboration, scalability, and premium support. So whether you're just starting with a free plan, upgrading to the Lite or Pro, or even managing a growing team with the business plan, Dadan offers a plan designed to match your workflow. So all you have to do is choose the plan that best fits your needs and start creating with confidence. All you have to do is click the try for free button on the top right corner and this will forward you to a new page. Creating an account here is super simple because all you have to do is provide all the information needed. You can use your business or personal email. Matter of fact, you can use your Microsoft, LinkedIn, Google, or Apple, and then follow the on-screen instructions. Alright, so after creating your Dadan account, this is the first screen that you will see. It's a pretty clean onboarding experience that walks you through setting up your profile before you jump into the platform. And you will notice this is the welcome message, along with a progress indicator that this is the step 1 out of 3. I always like seeing progress bars because you immediately know you're not filling out an endless registration form. In the first step, Dadan asks for some basic information like your first and last name, and then you can also need to fill in the company name or the brand or logo that you are representing with. And the required field that you need to choose on the drop-down menu is what do you do? Okay, you need to select your role or profession. So basically, all I have to do is choose from any of the following. For example, I am a freelancer and I create voiceover for the walkthroughs here in our channel. After that, all I have to do now is click the continue button. So after completing the basic account setup, Dadan takes me straight to its pricing page. I actually like that they don't hide this until later. It gives you a clear picture of what's available before you start investing your time. And of course, there are 3 plans to choose from. Right now, what you can do is choose the free plan, and if you click on it, you'll be easily forwarded to the Dadan platform itself. Now, the center of the dashboard welcomes you with a personalized greeting with a prominent Record Now button. This makes it immediately clear what the primary action on the platform is. You can get it now or do it later. And as you can see, the interface feels modern, it's very clean and very approachable. The layout isn't overwhelming, and it immediately guides you toward the next step, which is recording your first video. And on the left-hand sidebar, all the main navigation tool is organized into clear sections. Now let's take a look at the Create menu in Dadan. This is where you can start creating different types of content all from one place. Now, when you click the Create button, you will see multiple options depending on what you want to accomplish. So you have the Advanced Recording, which gives you more control over your recording setup. It's ideal if you want to customize your recording experience with additional settings. As you can see, the interface is clean and very straightforward. Right in the center, Dadan prompts you to either enable your camera, unmute your microphone, or start sharing your screen. If you want to record yourself, simply click the Show Cam. If you are creating a voiceover like I do, just enable the microphone. And for software tutorials or product demos, click the show screen to capture your display. You also have several customization options before you start recording. You can adjust the video ratio depending on whether you're creating content for YouTube, social media, or presentations. Matter of fact, you could choose a virtual background of your choice, change the layout, especially if you're combining your webcam with screen sharing, and even use the built-in prompter to read your script while maintaining eye contact with the camera. The settings gives you access to camera and microphone preferences, especially if you're using different microphones, helping you make sure everything is configured correctly before recording. And once you're ready, simply click the record button, but of course you need to upgrade to the premium plan before you can proceed. But don't worry if you don't have that ability, it's okay. We're gonna go back to the main homepage and we're going to click another tool here, which is gonna be the instant recording. And once you select the instant recording, Dadan opens a simple and beginner-friendly recording interface. And before you start, the browser will ask permissions to access your camera and microphone, okay? You see that the drop-down menu allows you to choose your media channels or outlets. Right now, I am using a C270 HD webcam and of course the OBS, depending on your preferences. And of course, just choose the best option that fits your needs and your preferences. In my case, I'm going to allow it this time. And from here, you can choose between 3 recording modes depending on your needs. At the bottom, there is like a small circle that allows you to see your camera. Okay? Now, the first option is the screen and camera, which records both your screen and your webcam at the same time, which is perfect for tutorials like I do, product demos, online courses, or presentations where you want viewers to see both your screen and your face. The second option is screen only, which captures only what's happening on your display. You see that the camera at the bottom left corner has disappeared, right? So this is ideal for presentations where you want viewers to see both only the screen. Okay? And then for the third option is camera only, which records your webcam, works well for video messages, introductions, or talking head content. Okay? Now, below the recording options, you'll find a few useful controls. You can open the settings to configure your preferences. Earlier, we have seen that on the top left corner. You can choose your camera from the drop-down menu, and of course, your microphone if you have multiple setups, right? And then you also have the option to turn on your microphone on or off if you want to mute, and even customize the canvas color if needed. For example, we're going to choose something on the color that best represents our logo and identity. One thing to note is the status message below the controls. In my case, it shows the microphone is turned on, so Dadan clearly lets you know if your audio won't be recorded before you begin. When everything is ready, simply click the Start Recording button to begin. If you are using the free plan, you will notice the recording time limit display on the bottom, which is like around 4 to 5 minutes, making it clear how much recording time you have available. Overall, the recording interface is very clean, it's easy to navigate, and makes it simple to start recording in just a few seconds. And once you're happy with the recording, click the Stop Recording. It will generate the option for you to download the video or view the video depending on your preferences. You see, you have been congratulated. And you can copy that link, you can share it to your website, to your social media channels, or to your client for feedback. You see that there is like a small notification on the center? That means your recording is done. So we're going to go back again to the main homepage because you also have the option to upload a video, which is useful if you've already recorded your content elsewhere. You can simply upload your existing video to Dadan by dragging and dropping your file, or you can simply click on your computer and locate the file. Once you're happy, click the upload file. And another option that we can use here in Dadan is the video recording request. Now this feature allows you to request someone else to record a video for you, making collaboration much easier when you need input from teammates or clients. Matter of fact, here in our channel, we are using Dadan. Okay, so for example, we wanted to request a video recording for a specific topic. We are going to use the video recording request feature, which is really helpful to get input from teammates or sometimes to our clients for feedback. All I have to do is click the recording link, and what will happen is it will be forwarded to you to copy that link and send it to your teammates or to your clients, okay? And then another feature is going to be the classroom video assignment, where teachers can assign video-based tasks to students and collect their submissions in one place. And of course, the option to import from Dropbox, allowing you to bring in videos directly from your Dropbox storage instead of uploading them manually. The thing is, it requires you to subscribe to the premium plan before you can use these features, and if you wanted to unlock all of the tools here in Dadan. And once you're done, you can go to the playlist because you can organize multiple videos into a collection that you can share together, which is useful for training materials, onboarding, or courses. All I have to do is provide the description. You can choose the privacy if it's going to be public or for certain people that you wanted to have access, and click the create button. And then below that, you have the meetings. The meetings recording contains the recorded video files from your meetings, making them easy to review later. Dadan supports popular meeting platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and GoToMeeting, making it easy to record meetings regardless of the platform your team uses. And to get started, you have two options. You can connect your Google Calendar or Outlook calendar by clicking the Manage Calendars. For example, I'm going to connect my Google Calendar. What will happen is you'll be forwarded here. But of course, before you can do that, you need to upgrade to the Pro plan. But Dadan will automatically detect and record scheduled meetings if you connect all of these into a seamless platform, or if you only need to record a specific meeting, you can also use the paste meeting URL. Okay? Below that, you can choose the meeting language from English to Catalan to Danish to Deutsch to Chinese, helping improve the accuracy of any AI generated transcriptions, which is, I find it useful if you regularly review meeting notes or share recordings with your team. Dadan also keeps track of your available meeting recording time so you can easily know how much recording time is left in your current plan before it resets. And then after that is the video analytics, providing engagement statistics for your shared videos. However, you are also required to upgrade to the Pro plan before you can use this amazing tool. But if you want to view the sample data so that you can see the number of views, watch time, engagement, viewer, and the completion rates, depending on the available features, you can do that as well. Next is you have the Earn Free Videos, which is a referral and rewards program where you can earn additional recording credits by inviting others or completing promotional activities. And then you have the option to upgrade to the Pro plan. Okay, so remember, you can choose from the monthly or pay annually, and do not forget to use our affiliate link in the video description. And with that being said, that wraps up our full review of Dadan. If you're looking for an all-in-one platform that combines screen recording, AI-powered editing, video hosting, transcription, and interactive engagement features, Dadan is definitely worth checking out. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And remember to use our affiliate link in the video description. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.